So guys, I am again back with a new job opportunity. This is one of the best job opportunity for the freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So there are many things you must know before applying for this tech challenge. So before discussing about this and the eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also you can join our Telegram channel called Latest Off Campus Types for you. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to join our Telegram channel more easily. So by joining our Telegram channel, you'll be getting updates regarding latest off-campus types and the job references. So Capgemini is going to conduct a Tech Challenge 2020. So in fact, this is going on right now. So I am requesting all of you to join or register for this Tech Challenge if you are interested and if you are eligible. So through this Tech Challenge, you can earn 15 lakh of cash plus placement opportunities with higher package. So the company name is Capgemini. Positions they are going to hire through this tech challenge is trainee, and the qualification required is any degree. That means BE, BTech, MCA, etc. Then batch, any batch. That means all the freshers and as well as the experienced candidates are eligible for this role. That means from 2015 or 16 to 2020 up to 2022. Sorry, all are eligible for this role. And branch, all are eligible. If you are skilled and if you are interested, then you can apply for this role irrespective of their branch. That means all the IT background candidates like CSE, CSIT, and the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical, all are eligible for this role. Then experience required. As we discussed earlier, all the freshers and the experienced candidates are eligible for this role. Then job location, pan India. That means across India you can join anywhere inside India according to their requirement and according to your uh, convenience. Then what is this tech challenge conducted by the Capgemini 2020? So this tech challenge is your chance to enhance your skills and show the world what you are made of. And you must be ready to join their company if you are doing very well through this process or through this tech challenge. They will be hiring for the top positions with higher package. So here you can see already 5 lakh of people have joined or participated in this tech challenge over last 6 years. So referral guidelines then. So that means for this tech challenge you can refer your friends and earn money or points by referring someone else. So you can refer the your male friends or the candidates as well as the female candidates. So in order to refer your friends, you need to register yourself first in their official website for this tech challenge. So you need to, from the referral page, you can refer your friends. So whenever you are referring anyone or inviting someone to register, and after they are registering, you'll be getting 25 points for each registration. So there will be a separate referral leaderboard on their website. It will be displayed according to the ranking. So if you are top ranked, then you will be getting prizes accordingly. So now let's discuss about the test process. So there will be totally 2 levels. So the first level, that means the screening phase. First one is the screening phase. There will be totally 25 MCQs and you will be getting only 30 minutes to complete all these 25 MCQs. So in this MCQ, for each correct answer, you'll be getting 4 points. So all the questions are compulsory and there is no negative marking. So if you don't know anything about a question, then you can put anything or choose any option of these. So if you are doing right or taking right, then it's fine. Otherwise, your marks will not be deducted. Then level 2, it's an online hackathon or hackering problem. There will be a single problem statement in this round and you need to solve this single question within 7 days. So you can attempt this question or the single questions multiple times. There is no limit or attempt in this round. So remember one thing, the numbers of attempt is unlimited. Their submissions must be submitted in the Capgemini website. So in order to participate for this level 2 or level 1, you need to click on the participate now on their official website once you complete the registration process. So there are many things you must be knowing before applying or before attending this test. So total score will be cumulative score. That means total of the scores. That means suppose you are scoring 10 in the level 1 and 20 in the level 2, then the sum will be 30. So you need to score more. So the user has to answer minimum of 40% questions to correctly to unlock the next level. So that means here out of 25 questions you need to solve 40% of 25 questions correctly in order to jump to the level 2. If you are not able to solve 40% of the 25 questions, then you not be able to attend the level 2. So remember one thing, unlimited time you can attend in the level 1, so your best score will be considered. So this is one of the best thing or the best part in this tech challenge. So if you are scoring 10% in the first attempt and 20% or 20 marks in the second round or second attempt, sorry, then your best mark will be chosen or will be considered. So try hard to score more. So here you can see this is the 40% and the highest score both of the attempts will be considered, and the no negative marking as we discussed earlier. Now let's discuss about the prizes. For the first prize you'll be getting 30,000 cash plus job opportunity. For the second runners up you'll be getting 20,000, and the early bird prizes for the first 10 players will be completed level will exclusive Capgemini branded merchandise for each theme contest. So let me take you to the official website where you can register for this tech challenge and apply and attend this coding challenge. So this is their official website. Here you can see all these things, view prices, etc, etc. So you have to register. For this you need to click on the register at the top right side top corner. So here you can see, in order to sign up you need to provide your first name, last name, email id and mobile number and click on the checkbox, and then you need to click on the sign up. So once your profiles or the email id gets verified, then your account or profile will be created successfully. So after that you can attend this drive or this tech challenge. So this tech challenge already have started, so I am requesting all of you to attend if you are interested. So I'll be putting the tech challenge link in the description of this video so that you will be able to attend this tech challenge as soon as possible before it expires. So I hope you get a clear-cut idea about its eligibility criteria and other details. So if whenever you are facing any difficulties, please let us know by commenting below in the comment section. Otherwise you can reach us out through any social media platforms like Telegram or LinkedIn, or you can say the Facebook or Instagram. So thank you for watching and all the best for your future.